For nearly 50 years, the theaters in the St. Pius X Fine Arts Center have been home to countless performances that have inspired, entertained, and united our Sarton community. From drama and dance to choir and band, these spaces have served as the heart of SPX creativity and talent. Now, for the first time since their construction, these theaters are receiving a historic transformation, and with it comes an extraordinary opportunity for you to leave your mark. Through the Take a Seat in History campaign, you can sponsor a brand new seat and customize it appropriately. Whether you choose to honor a loved one, recognize a graduating class, or proudly display your family or business name, your personalized nameplate will forever become a part of this cherished space. Your sponsorship will help transform the theater experience for generations of Sartons while supporting the incredible students who bring these stages to life. Seats are limited and sponsorships are first come, first served. Don't miss the chance to take a seat in history and be a part of the legacy that defines St. Pius X Fine Arts. Learn more and secure your seat today at www.stpiusx.com/take-a-seat. Act today, take your seat, leave your legacy, and let the show go on.